See, spoiled it already.
Well, that's all right, son.
I'm not your son.
You were planning to settle in California?
Yes, sir.
You farm people?
Yes, ma'am. We got our own land.
I always did appreciate someone who could open up the ground and make things grow. My.
Well, here we are. I made your mark, David, if it's all right with you. There you are. No, little lady. There'll be plenty of time later for crying.
Susan.
Oh, please, God. Davy, I can't. Please, I can't.
Susan.
It's forever, Davy, forever, a lifetime. And I can't pretend. I can't pretend.
Wait a minute. Were you pretending before?
Yes. Mother, please, Davy, home.
Take care of the boy, will you, Mr. Hale?
Susan!
Folks, wait outside.